Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 Store Locator plugin. Now this particular plugin provides a quick way for giving an effortless searching experience for the customers to locate the stores on Google Maps. The stores in any number can be added by the admin from the backend panel configuration of the particular plugin, that's the Shopware 6 Store Locator. This in turn will help the customers to find the stores based on location search for the best accurate results. So all in all, this particular plugin provides the embedded Google Maps functionality for searching locations on the storefront. Google Ajax based search to find the nearest location. You will be able to search the stores via the location search. By entering the name of the location there, you will be able to see the particular stores available within the vicinity of that particular location. The radius of the search location can also be set up in the configuration settings of the plugin there. Apart from that, the admin can add multiple number of stores as per the requirement there from the plugin configuration settings, and a direct link on the store to locate the store near your entered location. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin, that's the Shopware 6 Store Locator at the customer's end, and I'll be taking you through the workflow at the admin's end as well, how the admin would be able to create the multiple stores from the backend there. And on the customer front, I'll be showing you how the customers would be able to access the list of stores at the storefront there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. Kindly note that to know more about how to get the Google API keys for the configuration settings, kindly check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video there. So right now you can see that I'm on one of the categories there on the storefront, that's the free time in electronics, and here we are having some products. Now a customer comes in and he wants to basically search for the different stores that are available at the entered location there. So for that, the customer needs to navigate to the store option at the top right hand corner. So here you can see that we have the store option here. So if I tap on this particular link, this would bring up this particular page wherein we have to provide our location to the Google Maps to display the maps there. So I'll allow it up. This would show the current location of the customer there, and would also bring up the particular what we say as the stores that are located there, or the available stores within the system there itself. Now from here, the customer, if he wants, he can search for the different stores there by entering the name of the location there. After entering the name of the location, the particular, if available store, if there's an available store within that within the vicinity of that entered location, then that particular store would be displayed to the customer there itself. So for example, if I enter Eindhoven Airport, and you can see that near the Eindhoven Airport we have this pinned location being displayed here. If I tap on this pinned location, we have the corner store Eindhoven Station Plein 225611 CL in Eindhoven, Netherlands, and the name of the store is visible here as well. So if you have added a particular link to the particular store, then you can tap on the corner store link that you can see here, and this would redirect you to the particular website of the store there itself. So I had set it to webcool.com, so that's why it has redirected us to webcool.com webpage there, as you can see. Right, so let's go back. So if I want to see the complete list of stores, I'll just tap here on these stores, and it would display the complete list of stores that's within the vicinity of the location there of the customer, because we had provided the access to the Google Maps for accessing our location there. So for example, if I enter Webcool Sector 63 Road, then I'll be able to see the different stores that are available within this entered vicinity there. So if I zoom out, here you can see that here we are having Webcool Block 63. Here we are having Warehouse Cafe that we were seeing. If I want to see a particular one, I can tap on that one, and that particular one would be displayed. This one is the one If I tap here on the mega store, the mega store would be displayed, right? If I tap here on the warehouse hotel would be displayed to the customer on the Google Maps there. So that's how easily the basically this plugin provides a quick way for giving an effortless searching experience for the customers to locate the stores on the Google Maps. So if you are having multiple store locations, then you can add different store locations as per your requirement there. And the customers who are coming to your online store, if they want to search for your offline stores as well, then you can enter the location of those stores there, and they can check the location of those stores on the Google Maps and can navigate to that particular place as per their requirement itself. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let's see the rest of the configuration settings in the admin backend panel. So I've logged into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the login button. After the successful installation of this particular plugin, we need to make some initial configuration settings. For that, what you need to do is you need to navigate through extensions. Let me tap here, extensions, my extensions, and here you'll find one option or the plugin being installed there. Let that come up, and here you'll find the store locator, and what you need to do is you need to tap here and tap on the configuration option that you can see, and that will bring up the basic configuration settings for the Webcool store locator. So here you have to choose the store locator sales channel. I've chosen it as all sales. You can choose your sales as per channel as per your own requirement there. Then you have to enter the Google API token here. To know more about how to generate the same, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video there. Then you have to set the radius. Here you have to set the radius within which the stores would be displayed to the customers. So if the customer is entering a particular location within its vicinity of 2000 kilometers as we have set up, within 2000 kilometers the available stores would be displayed to the customer there. Here you can choose the distance label as well, whether it's in kilometers or miles as per your own requirement there. And then you need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. Then you need to navigate to settings, and under settings you have to go to extensions and then store locator, and here you'll find the complete list of stores that you've already created. To add a new store, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the create new store location. At the top you have to enter the address of the store location. For example, I've added, then the title of the store, let's set it as California store. The latitude and the longitude would automatically be added there. The store URL has also been automatically added there. If there's any logo that you want to add, you can add a logo for this by uploading the one, and then you need to make it as active, and then you have to tap here on the save button to save the particular store location. So you can see that California store location has been added, as you can see. So if I go to the front end and I tap here on the stores once again, you can see the California store is listed here. Now if I enter the location as California, then the California store is being displayed here, as you can see. Within the California Academy of Sciences, we have the California store, as you can see, right? So that's how this particular plugin works, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the Shopway 6 store locator, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.